Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about depot medroxy progesterone acetate. This depot medroxy progesterone acetate, it is a long-acting progestin only injection. It is a long-acting progestin only injection formulation, and this is administered every 3 months intramuscularly as contraceptive. Okay, so this is about medroxyprogesterone acetate. Thank you for watching.